Hey YouTube, Roy Marko with Marko Custom Build Models coming today with an unboxing of the 1966 Chevelle SS hardtop, 1/25th scale. This is an all-new model under the AMT logo, but it is an old kit, as I'm going to show you. It's been around for a while under something else, but let's get into this. Here's all the parts on the back of the box. They got beautiful artwork on this model. Well, let's open up and see what we got inside and see if I'm right here. Alright. Okay, let's open it up and see what we got. So there's what's inside the box here. First up, we have the chrome tree. So the only complaint I have about this kit, even in the previous release, with the wheel option it comes with. As a modeler, I have lots of wheels. It's not a big deal. But anyway, these are the sort of, they're kind of an okay looking hubcap on the real car. This was a hubcap, and they did come on the SS cars. I think in '66 they didn't have the rally wheel yet. So basically, this was the loaded sort of option hubcap. But I would prefer it if they released it with poverty caps or something. But anyway, you got your back and front bumper with bumperettes molded on this. The '66 grille is got really nice detail. It has the 396 in it, so it's got the valve, the big block valve covers. You got the scoops for the hood here that go in there, and then your windshield wipers, taillights. You got a rear view mirror here, shifter, carburetor, air cleaner. So anyway, there's that chrome tree there, backside. Next up we have the glass. Nice fitting glass in this kit. Has nice wide sort of flanges to glue it in place without getting any glue on the window itself, which is nice. Got 4 headlights here. So a windshield, rear window, and you can see through the glass, not a lot of distortion, so pretty good glass in the kit. The body comes in the bag. Everything is in one bag in this. So we'll open that up. Here's the 66 Chevelle body. Everything's basically in one piece other than what has to be glued on. Things like your placement for your door handles. The doors, they got little indentations to help guide where to put the door handles. It has all the SS trim on it. It says Super Sport right on the back here. Nice, easy to pick that off. Very well detailed. So there's the body. Okay, first up we got our 396 big block Chevrolet with 3-speed, probably, or 4 on the floor. It's got 3 links on it, so that should be a 4-speed. We have, these are probably for holding the wheels on in some way, shape, or form, and this looks like the base of the air cleaner. It's on one tree there. Then we have the floor pan assembly. This also includes the front below the grille panel. I had a real 1966 Chevelle, and this panel was actually painted silver, not body color. So just for reference. Floor pan has the frame molded in, but everything else glues on, so you can really detail this up nice. So that's good. Here we have our interior panels here. What's nice, it's got the correct 66 Super Sport steering wheel, which only had 2 spokes. In '67 this became a tri-spoke. Also comes with the standard wheel with the horn ring. You have your bucket seats here. Nice detail on the bucket seats, the seat backs. You got the door panels here, kick panel, all that's included. This has this is basically a manual window car. Have a steering column, springs, and a fan with a clutch fan on it. A little bit of flash here, but this just comes off quite easy, so it's not too big to deal with. At least it's not on all the parts. Backside. This has the lower control arm, and then you put the upper part of the diff on here. and that gives you your upper control arms, and then this is the front lower suspension. You have shocks, coil springs, you got a transmission cross member, a steering link, drive shaft, and fan shroud, and over here we have our wheel backs. So that's the other side there. On the next tree we have the exhaust system here, the tailpipes. It has a center console here with the this might have a tack or a clock depending on how the car is optioned. That's probably a tack. You have your pedal box or pedals here molded in with the bottom of a heater box feature, and then this is your upper rad support. So all that's on that tree there. Flip that over, that's what that looks like on the back. Then we have rear seat that glues in. So if a guy wanted to, you could probably buy a couple of these kits and make it a bench seat car if that's something you wanted to do. This is the 66 dashboard, very similar to what 67 would look like. It's got nice detail, even the numbers are molded in there. You got a firewall here and an upper dash pad, and then of course the support for the rear seat. So if you wanted to, you could build it without a rear seat, probably like a race car. It's nice for options there. This has your rad support here. We got this looks like a heater box, another radiator hose. You got an alternator, a water pump assembly, distributor, coil. Have a big block oil pan here with the oil filter molded in. We got our cylinder heads with the rockers there. If you had to wanted to display that engine without valve covers for some reason, you could have detailed rockers. You have the correct 66 single pot master cylinder starter, your big block cast iron manifolds and intake manifold. We got some jug for the coolant reservoir. Then we also have your belt accessories. So this looks like you have alternator, air conditioning, and power steering, so full load. This looks like an air conditioning line here. We have your steering box and shaft, a couple of hood hinge details, and of course that SS hood with the side detail. There's some chrome pieces that glue in from behind that we saw on the chrome tree. So there's the front side of it and back side. This hood does not have any sort of cutout for if you want to put a blower, so which is nice because then you don't have those lines to deal with. Okay, that's what's left in the box here. We got the red tail lights here, little 66 Chevelle tail lights. Nice color red, looks good. Then we have the 4 tires here, which are got a nice feel to them. They got like not a super shiny finish, so they look nice and look like a real tire. So that's something that you could put on there. It's you could paint up it's got Firestone written on the side, or you could change them out with something else. But you got 4 of those. Okay. Decal or decal sheet here. So we have a dashboard cluster setup, which is nice. The tack, got the 396 emblem for the air cleaner, got some different license plates, a little bit of flame job there, some aftermarket stickers, and then of course your Chevelle SS if you want to put, or Super Sport. Then a couple of dice there if you want to hang them in the mirror. So there you go, that's a pretty nice little decal sheet for it. And then the instructions are pretty straightforward. Let's see what the illustration's like. So like most kits from AMT, or in this case I'll talk about where this kit came from. There you go, they look pretty good, pretty easy assembly. Alright, now this kit is nothing new, it's been out before, and here's how it was released before as a 66 Chevelle Super Sport. This is by Lindbergh, and I think Lindbergh did the tooling on this model. The artwork on this box wasn't so hot, but it is actually a pretty nice kit inside, so it's definitely worth picking up. If you happen to see one of these old Lindbergh kits and you want to get the same kit, you know, you get the same kit inside the box as the AMT release. So here's the Lindbergh body, here's the AMT body. They feel exactly the same. Everything about them is exactly the same. They're the same kit. So anyway, I was surprised that round 2 would release it under the name AMT, but anyway, there you go. Worth picking up, worth the money. So if you like these videos, please hit that like button, ring that bell for notifications. Please like, share, and comment. As always, I like reading the comments. As always, thanks for watching and have yourself a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.